Pause for a second. Not your phone, your thinking. Because if February passes the same way January did, it won't be bad luck. It will be a pattern. And patterns don't break with motivation. The reality is this: if nothing changes in how your day works, then nothing changes in how your life moves. And once you see this clearly, you'll understand why effort alone has never been enough. Let's start with the first truth. Step 1. Default mode. You probably started this year with intentions, not huge resolutions, just quiet ones. I'll be more focused. I'll stop wasting time. I'll get serious. But notice something uncomfortable here. You didn't quit. You didn't fail. You just slowly returned to default. And this is important because this is not a discipline problem. It's a design problem. And here's why this keeps happening, no matter how motivated you feel. Step 2. Brain truth. Your brain is not built to change its future. It's built to protect familiarity. That's why you can want a better life and still repeat the same day. James Clear explains it clearly. We don't rise to the level of our goals. We fall to the level of our systems. And right now, be honest, your system is designed to keep you exactly where you are. And this isn't theoretical. You see it every single day. Step 3. Hidden control. Think about this. Your phone decides when you wake up. Your mood decides when you work. Your comfort decides when you stop. So every day feels busy, but nothing meaningful moves. This is why weeks blur. This is why months disappear. Not because you're lazy, but because your days are training you to stay the same. Now comes the shift most people never make. And once you see this, you can't unsee it. Step 4. Identity question. Stop asking what should I do, what should I do? Start asking, what is my day training me to become? Because every repeated action is not just a habit, it's a vote for an identity. And right now, your day is voting, whether you like it or not. So how do you interrupt this? Without motivation, without discipline, without forcing change. Here's the simplest reset. Step 5. The anchor. Not for life, not for the year, just for tomorrow. Design one non-negotiable anchor. One action so small it feels stupid, but so fixed it doesn't depend on motivation. Same time, same place. No decision involved, because the moment behavior stops being a choice, change finally begins. And before you judge yourself, you need to know this part. Step 6. Boring signal. Real progress doesn't feel powerful at first. It feels boring, invisible, almost disappointing. And that's exactly how you know it's real. Let's be real for a second. Most people won't support this video for me. They'll support it only if it helps them. So ask yourself just one thing. Did this video give you something you can actually use when the screen turns off? If yes, lock it in. Hit like so this doesn't get buried under noise. Use the hi button so YouTube pushes more content like this to you, not to everyone. And the next video breaks down 7 small habits that decides whether all of this actually works. And if you want the next video, don't scroll. Type next in the comments. Thank you for watching.